He always saw the nature of God, but he did not think that by force he should try to remain equal with God. Instead of this, in his will, he gave all he had and took the nature of a servant. He became like a human being. He always humble, walking the path of obedience, all the way to death, his death on the cross. For this reason, God raised him to the highest place above and gave him the name that is greater than every other name. Praise the Lord, O servants of the Lord, for the Lord so reign forevermore. His name is to be praised, both now and forever. For the rising of the sun to give place where it sets, the name of the Lord is to be praised. The Lord is exalted over all the nations, his glory above the heavens and the earth. Who is like the Lord our God, the one who sitteth enthroned on high, who stooped down to look at the heavens and the earth. Praise the Lord. Blessed is the man who fears the Lord, who finds great delight in his commands. His children will be mighty in the land. The generation of the upright will be blessed. Wealth and riches and in his house, and his righteousness endures forever. Evil in the darkness lies down for the upright, for the gracious and compassionate and righteous man. Good will come to him who is generous. Why do the nations say, where is their God? Our God is in heaven. He does whatever pleases him. But their idols are silver and gold, made by hands of men. They have mouths, but they cannot speak. They have eyes, but they cannot see. They have ears, but they cannot hear. Noses, but they cannot smell. They have hands, they cannot feel. Feet, they cannot walk. Nor can they utter a sound.